This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Janice Hollowell. Here is your chance to be on a very private lot in the Hickory area of southern Chesapeake. Tucked away nice and cozy. The bedrooms are all large, great floor plan with flexibility and the possibility of a separate at-home office on the main floor. Great well laid out kitchen with island. Brand new for you. Be sure to ask about preferred lender incentives. October 8, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Janice Hollowell at 757-547-1234.